The DJI MIC MINI, it's a great tool. It's absolutely great. It's cheap, it's powerful, the quality is stupendous, but that hissing noise. Can you hear it? After trying every solution there is on YouTube, I have found the cure. It's not a cable, it's not another cable, it's just this. This is called a ground loop isolator. Price is between 5 and 10 euros, depends on when you're buying it. And you connect it between your camera and your DJI receiver, and that sound disappears. Let's hear. Do you hear that? Yeah, me neither. I don't use any filters, no noise suppressor thingy, nothing. Just this thing. Just this 5 euro thing. You'll find links to the product on Amazon and AliExpress. They are not affiliate links. This is a Romanian channel. You don't need to subscribe. I talk about politics and social issues in Romanian. Just like the video if you find it useful and send it to your friends. Thank you.